The cabinet had sat today, and based on the recommendations that have been given by the education department and based on the recommendations that have been given by tourism department, the following decisions were taken today. First, the education department. The government of Meghalaya has decided that all colleges will be open from the 1st of September. So all colleges will be opened from 1st of September, regarding, that is, urban as well as rural. Regarding the schools in urban areas, from class 1 to class 5, it will be online. Class 6 to class 8, the school visits, and class 9 to class 12 will be open. In rural areas, from class 1 to class 5, there will be school visits. Then class 6 to class 8 will be open, and class 9 to class 12 will also be open. Because as I said, since we're leaving the decision to the schools, whether they wish to open or not, that's the maximum flexibility we can give to anybody. So therefore, it is up to the schools. I'm repeating myself, we are allowing them to open from 1st. If somebody does not wish to open from 1st, they can open from 7th. They can open from next month, October. They can open from November. But we are allowing from 1st. So if there are schools and colleges that have finished their vaccination, they have students who wish to come in and study, well, you can do it from 1st, is what we are saying. Those who are not ready, who are not vaccinated, who feel that they need another 20 days to do it, then start from September 20th. There's no problem. But we are allowing now for the schools to be open, colleges to be open. Therefore, in the schools, we have mentioned that the teachers who are there, we are ensuring that they are going to be fully vaccinated, and the ones who are not vaccinated, they need to produce the RT-PCR test results in a specific period of time. And from the students' point of view, there will not be any specific condition for the students, but all college students, we have seen that a large number of them are vaccinated, and we are hopeful that more and more students will come forward in the colleges to get vaccinated.